मॉर्निंग गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आई नो यू ऑल आर वेल। नाउ टुडेज न्यूज़ फ्रॉम संडेज न्यू एक्सप्रेस। आफ्टर 50% tariff, $1 lakh annual fees for H-1B visa. Trump's latest hit skilled Indian laborers in USA. Now, what will be the impact after doing this kind of activity or session by the President Trump? This is very big problem will be going on in future. I know that this is very hard time for India because Indians are basically blindfolded and our economy is not up to that. You think we are facing severe unemployment, we have so many conflicts, international as well as intercontinental, and in India as well. So what is written here is that person valuable enough for the employers to pay $1 lakh a year to the government. That's the point of immigration. Hire American. Make sure people coming in are the top people. The president is crystal clear. Valuable people only for America. Stop the nonsense. Now, what are the masses coming from this statement given by US Commerce Secretary? Because I know that America wants the skilled people should be inside the America. They don't want to go outside. And now this will be very big havoc for Indian people. How they will get the H1B1 visa. And this is drastic step done by Indians. Now we know that India is the biggest market for software engineers and software skills, and we will have to face the music now in coming days. So you people keep your eyes blindfolded, and you will see in few years our economy will be down. So keep yourself happy because India is not nothing for any other country. Our international relation and the foreign policy collapsed. Everywhere it has been collapsed. So in all extent we say India is nothing for other countries, especially America, Europe and Russia. So be happy, and you can see this visa fee hike, another kill HB1 program. Now I am very happy because I want to like to speak in Hindi because मैं चाहता हूँ कि सुनिए आप सभी लोग कि हमारे देश के अंधभक्त जो अंधभक्ति की पराकाष्ठा पे पहुंच गए हैं। आई थिंक मेरी हिंदी से आपकी समझ में आ रहा होगा मैं इंग्लिश में क्या बोल गया हूँ। मज़े करिए भाई साहब, आप सभी लोग, मौज आने वाली है आने वाले दिनों में।